Hello everyone, as you all know, today is the last day of our quilling course, and today I'll tell you the most awaited jhumkas, that is how to make quilled jhumkas. For this, at first, we'll take six to seven strips of. Here I have taken six strips of red quilling paper, 3 mm. Now you can either use 3 mm or 5 mm, whatever is available with you, and you have to just stick 6 to 7 pieces of quilling strips together and then make a tight coil like this one, as you can see. Remember, your coil should be tight and it should be smooth. Our tight coil is ready now. Now, in order to give it the shape of a jhumka, we'll just press it inwards and apply pressure with our thumb inwards in order to give it a cup-like shape. For if you're doing it for the first time and if you're a beginner at it, please do it slowly, as the coil may open from the middle and then you will have to roll it again. So do it very slowly. It'll take time, but do it until you get a perfect shape like this one. Once you get your desired shape, apply Fevicol on the inside of the jhumka. This is a very important step, as it will help keep your jhumka in a proper shape. And then spread the Fevicol either with a brush or with your finger, whichever is convenient for you, and then allow it to dry. Now take half strip of 3 mm red color, the same color you have made the jhumka, and then roll it to make a loose coil. The coil should not be very loose. See in the video, you will get an idea what shape I'm talking about. Our coil is ready. Now we'll apply Fevicol at the end of the coil and paste it over our jhumka like this. Allow it to dry for some time. Our jhumka has completely dried now. You can see on the inside as there is a shine. This shine indicates that your Fevicol has dried. Now we'll need some beads of small size like this one, and we'll also need a tweezer. Now tweezers are optional. If you have one, it is good. If you don't have one, then also it is fine. Now we'll apply Fevicol on the bottom of our jhumka and paste these beads on it. This will take a little time, but we have to do it very patiently. Pick up the beads using your tweezers and paste it on the jhumka as shown. This will make the work a bit easy as compared to pasting the beads using your fingers. cover whole of the base using the beads. As you can see, I have pasted the beads on the base. Now we'll make some loose coils of the same size as we have made earlier. Now we'll need some larger beads of the same color which we have pasted on the base of the jhumka, and we'll need earring hoops with the help of which we can wear our jhumka. Now we will take a earring hoop and insert one loose coil in it, and then we'll insert our golden bead, one of our golden bead in it. We'll insert one alternate loose coil and our golden bead, and then we'll insert our jhumka in it in the middle. Then again we will insert a bead, then loose coil, then bead, then loose coil, and we'll insert the same number of beads and loose coil as on the left side. As you can see, our jhumka is ready. Now I'll make one more of the same kind. See, I have made one more, and now our jhumkas are ready and we can wear it on any occasion. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, do like the video and subscribe to my channel. And today with this jhumka, our 5-day quilling course has come to an end. Have a nice day. Bye bye.